Welcome to my channel. This video about section of solids part 2 video, and for this a hexagonal prism of side base 25 mm and 50 mm height rests with its base on HP. One of the edges of its base is perpendicular to VP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30° to HP meet the axis 20 mm from the top. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the sections. Let's start now by using Autocad. Open the Autocad and change my modeling. First, we look at the actual problem by using the 3D tools in the Autocad. And let's start now hexagonal prism. So 6 sides, base 25 mm and 50 mm height. So let's go to again box and prism or pyramid prism, right? Okay. So it is right. Okay. Now I just type it on polygon, right? Polygonal number of sides at 6, and I using the edge command. Just I took the edges, so it is perpendicular. The sides are perpendicular with its base of the HP. One of the edges of its base is perpendicular to VP. So like this. So on the ortho mode, so it is 25 mm. So you can measure. Okay, go to annotate and just I check it whether it is correct or not. Yes, 25. Now using line center point, and better you use for top view line command and changes to home mode isometric view. Again I choose the line. The height of the line is 60. Okay, it is a prism, hexagonal prism of side. Okay, 25 50 mm height. Okay, sorry. So again I go to line, select this line, it is 50 mm height. Okay, now using the command region, enter, select the edges, enter. Now extrude command, select the enter. Now the height of the 50 mm, right? Now okay, so when you look at from the top it look like, and it is front view, right? This is isometric view. Now the section plane to be taken, and a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30° to HP meet the axis 20 mm from the top. Okay, now right, so I choose a section plane. So here section plane is available, and in this orthographic projections, and the front, back, top, bottom, left, right. So choose the bottom. It is, you can delete it. Okay, first type the section plane orthographic bottom. Yeah, now I would like to move in the section plane. Now it is automatically, it will calculate the exact midpoint of the prism. Okay, so now I would like to move the section plane like that. So again it's parallel to this point, again bottom. I try to place the section plane exactly at the bottom. Okay, just I move it, try to move. First I would like to select, then move. Okay, just I move it like this and at a brand view it is look like this. Just I move it here. Okay, right. Now the meet the axis from the 20 mm. So totally the height of the prism is 50 mm. So we have to move the section plane up to 30 mm. So just I move it from this point to this point 30. Yeah, this is the point. Okay, the top view would look like this. Okay, now now the bottom portion will be cut, but actually we have to remove the top portion. So that I select the and this point and this is arrow. Okay, now the top portion removed and bottom portion only visible. Now rotating the section plane 30-degree incline. Okay, so now using the command 3D rotate. Okay, 3D rotate. So I'm going to be use the green color. Okay, green color and I simply press 30-degree. Yeah, this is the view we got. Okay, just move it. Okay, it is look like this. After removing this, the prism will look like this. Okay, now sectional top view, how to get, select the section plane, generate the section black. Yeah, 2D selection or 3D selection. First I would like to take the 2D section or elevations. See, look at this. Place the window, press 1. It is asking the scale factor. Simply I put 1. Now it look like this. And similarly select the section plane. Now 3D section, create. See, look at this. Again I press 1 and press 1, select this window, right? This is the sectional top view and true shape of the section. This is true shape of the section and this is top view, right? By manually drawing, so by manual, how do you like this? Drafting and annotations. I am going to the top view, right? So how to draw polygon, number of sides 6, edges, place the drawing 25. Okay, drawing the lines in corresponding views. This is our top view. Now I would like to draw the XY line. Again I choose the line. The height is 50 mm. This manual method 50 mm. Now I would like to draw up to 20. Right. Now I rotating this plane, section plane, RO rotate from this point to 30-degree. This is our line. Now draw the line. Okay, automatically the two lines are perpendicular, so no need to draw. Okay, but only thing, the axis point, how to provide the axis point. So line, take a horizontal line. Okay, this is the point. Now take an arc, center end arc. This point, similarly center end arc, this point. Okay, now join the lines. Delete these lines. and measure the distance and using hatch command. Okay, 15. Now matching this wave is actual 3D and compare this, right? Actually 25 and this also 25, right? Similarly for this view also, draw a parallel line. For example, I would like to draw, right, now GC parallel, GC command parallel, select this line and this line. Now it is parallel, right? Now draw the perpendicular line from the section plane midpoint, and better you remove this rotation. Yeah, perpendicular and perpendicular, then perpendicular. Now measure the distance from this point to this point. Would like to enlarge the text size. Okay, and from this point to this point is 25, so 18.09. Okay, now I would like to draw the line from this point to this point, 18.09. Okay, and similarly draw a line from 25 and change the color of this line for easy visibility, and similarly this point to this point. Measure the distance and just you copy this. Okay, similarly arc and measure the distance from here, and similarly from here to here, 48.94, 8.94 first distance. Similarly 43.30, 43.30, and change the color of this line. Now join the line. Yeah, this is our true shape of the section. Yeah, look at this. It is 3D, actual 3D. We are taken from the 3D, and this is your manual drawing. Okay, and next one, a cone. So a cone of base 50 mm, 65 mm height, rest with its base on HP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 45 degree to HP. Meet the axis 35 mm from the base. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So similar way, we try to shift on to 3D modeling, and better you change the isometric view by pressing a home button. Now I would like to draw cone. Notice the diameter. Base is 50 mm. That is actually diameter, not base. Diameter. Diameter 50 mm. Okay, cone diameter 50 mm. Yes, cone. Just I place it here. So it is asking the diameter or radius. So now I press diameter is 50 mm, and the axis length or height is 65 mm, so I provide 65. This is our cone. So go to visual styles. You want to exact dimension, it look like this. It's a top view, it is front view, it is isometric view, wireframe, and this is conceptual. Then this one is hidden line, it is realistic view, and this is shadowed view and shaded with edges. So look at this. Now come to the section plane. Okay, section plane, it is perpendicular to VP and inclined 45 degree to HP. Now like to draw the section plane, so just I type it as section plane, it is orthographic and placed at bottom, right? And first you move the section plane up to bottom. See, now it look like, yeah, exactly at bottom or not, we don't know, right? So better you come to section plane. Now just I move into, and ortho mode should be on. Just I move it somewhat distance and check the front view. Yeah, and just move it to at exactly at bottom. Just I move it. I place it just, I place it here. Yeah. Now go to top view. Just I move until approximately here. Okay. Now just I move the 35, sorry, 35 mm from the base. Okay. Now move the section plane from this point to 35 mm. Now select the section plane, bottom only visible, and also it makes the 45 degree angle. So rotating the section plane, 3D rotate. Now I select the green, okay, green, and 45, just press 45 degree. Yeah, this is the point. Look at this, it is the plan. Sectional top view, right? It look like, right? Then top view, select the section plane, generate 2D selection, that is true shape of the section 1. Yeah. Next, select the section plane, generate 3D sections, it is sectional top view. Yeah. Then we come to the actual how to draw manually by using, so circle, specify the radius 25, right? and divide the circle into 8 or 16 parts. So at 25 less than 45 degree, just I used to modify mirror. Okay. Now draw the XY line, draw the projectors. Okay, it is a cone. The height of the cone will be 60. Now I draw the section plane which is 35 mm from the base. Okay, already this line and rotating this one, and base point it is 45 degree. Yeah. Now draw the projector from the sectional top view up to this line, and it also cover the second point. Then projector from this point also, this edge point. Now how many points we got? So it is 1. Just I mentioned by using the circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So we will get another two more edges are required, which is actually in the axis point. So how to projecting this one? So from draw the horizontal line and draw the projector from this point up to this end, either this end or this end. Okay, let me take sign. Okay, now draw the arc center and start end. Yeah, do it again. So another point. Hold control key and this point. Now just I copy this line. Yeah, this line also. Now using the command spline and just I draw the joining this points. Okay, better you think only spline and draw it from here. It is obviously correct. Yeah, this is the point. Correct. Spline. You will get like this. With this line, circle. Okay, this is our sectional top view, and you can match from this point to that point. Yeah, look at this. Slightly vary. Okay, that's all. And move it. And similarly, you can draw the uh, sectional true shape of the section. Okay. So thank you for your watching.